Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the error, page not available. Your IT administrator has limited access on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Let's get started. First, open the Start menu and type Command Prompt. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type the command sfc/scan now and press Enter. This will run a system file checker scan. It looks for corrupted system files and repairs them automatically. Once the scan finishes, restart your PC. If the problem is still there, let's try the next step. Open the Start menu again, type gpedit.msc and press Enter. This will open the Group Policy Editor. In the left panel, navigate to User Configuration, Administrative Templates, Control Panel. On the right-hand side, look for the option called Prohibit Access to Control Panel and PC Settings. Double-click it, set it to Not Configured or Disabled, then click Apply and OK. Close everything and restart your computer. Now, when you try to open your settings, the Page Not Available message should be gone. And that's it. If this video helped you fix the issue, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.